Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Juan. Today I will explain to you how to do your uh, computer practice or computer project, and especially for this project you will make presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Before you open or run your Microsoft PowerPoint, you can see this one, assessment for computer project or practice yang akan dinilai untuk project kalian. Have 10 point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. Okay, the slide must use theme or background. Choose the best theme or background to be more interesting. Keep different transition in every slide. Keep sound. The title text have to use color. Customize. Customize di sini to you. Tergantung kemauan kalian atau sesuaikan dengan keinginan kalian. Font name, Arial rounded, empty bold, and font size customized. And the next, give the best animation and sound for every text and picture. And for the contents, the content text have used color, customized, font name times New Roman, and font size customized. Alignment text justify, rata kiri dan rata kanan, and typing or text correctness, kebenaran mengetik. And the last point, the picture according to the title, the position, and the size of picture customized. Jadi gambarnya sesuaikan dengan judulnya dan posisi serta ukuran picture itu kamu sesuai. Okay, student, we try directly. You can open Microsoft PowerPoint. One. Yeah. In here, you can see themes. One theme. Okay, you can choose one of them. Yeah. You student, which one you want. Example, Juan will choose this one. Okay, after that, create. Click this one. Okay, student, cannot, yeah. So we can choose the other one. If you have like that one, you can choose the other one. Cannot like it. Okay, maybe this one, create. Click this one. Okay, we can try the other one. Maybe we take from here presentation. Let's try this one. Then, yeah, uh, we tap the contents, and the content must. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you. Bye bye.